in Wales. There's sheep and everything. Tom's taking the day off work.
Okay.
Jess doesn't really do anything. And I'm here. We're going to get a new puppy. I'm very excited. Labradoodle little puppy. Somewhere around here. We're in Welshpool. It's very nice. I'm about to get a little bundle of fluff. So see what it's like.
Hello.
Hello, mate. Hello. Hello, mate. Hello. You look like a cat. Hello, little boy. You're beautiful. Hello. Hello. Hi, mate. Yeah. Oh.
Basically, what it done to
What a kitty. He's fantastic. He's really bouncy. Look at you. That's your dad. Oh, you're going to miss your dad. Don't worry, you've got plenty. Look at you. You're going to say goodbye to everybody. Hey? Mwah.
He's chilled, isn't he?
Beautiful.
He's tired, though.
Beautiful.
He's tired. Honestly, he's
You'll be asleep when we get there.
not always as chill as this.
Okay.
I'm going to tease them like little needles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you again.
Cheers.
Are you putting him in a cage? Or
No, put one Jesse's lap.
Yeah.
Swap over. Hey, come to Wales, they said. Get a puppy. Hello. Hello. Cheers, we'll see you soon.
why doesn't this work?
It does, you have to use the key. Here you go, Moo.
Using the key.
There you go. Turn to the right, you'll get there. There you go, mate. There you go. You're in the Citroen ZX.
Right. In the back is the food.
Okay.
Now, have you got a towel over there, Jess, or would you like a bit of...
Have a puppy
just
pad.
in
Just
case?
have the puppy pad out ready, which is that blue thing.
What blue thing? The purple thing, you mean?
We ready? Not been in the car before, have you? Excited? I'm excited.
Did I go to your bed? I've got to find my seat back now.
Okay, so you're leaving your home now, your birthing place. Middle of nowhere, so you're going to like it where we live.
In the middle of nowhere. Here's a pretty puppy.
You happy there, Moo?
Yeah.
You happy there, Tom?
Oh, great.
Excellent. So yes, this is it. Tobe'le-Rone is here now. I can't be 10 minutes without a dog, and I've just hated the last amount of time we've had, so that's it. We're back in business. Won't replace Harry, but we'll fill a gap that he was in.